Alright guys, it's Tuesday. That means cash starts and mega crickets. And a box of totally certified. Here's our dudes. We got Anthony and Taz and Kepper and Steve and Bug and Peanut and Jack, Kepper, Aaron and Mike. Jack got the dirt listing. Aaron's got a bunch. Brian got in there. Kepper. Rich was nice enough to sell his San Jose Sharks to Steve. So Steve has two, and he got in cash starts. Succotash. Jack was nice enough to buy me the Toronto Maple Leafs, which was pretty awesome. Thanks, Jack. And we got Warren and Keps. I've never been in my own cash start before. It's kind of neat. So with all that done and out of the way, let's move right on to our box. Ending in 792. Good old totally certified. I still love totally certified. Okay. Yeah, I saw that last minute grab there. Good job. Oh, we got a fatty. Maybe two. Maybe a medium. What is that? I don't know what that card is. Okay, let's slow roll this. Base. Base. Rookie card for... Oh, okay. For Dallas. And Ants. You got some Valerie Niskushkin. And, oh, that's why. This is beautiful. Going to Aaron. It's the Ruby version. Bo Bennett. Jersey autograph. It has a mark on it right above the logo there. That's number 1 of 25. That's a money card right there. It just looked weird. I'd never noticed that kind of grain on the back. Threw me for a loop. A nice card for Aaron. Save Jack. Joffrey Lupul. And the Buffalo Sabres and Kepper. Johan Larsson rookie card. Kepper can't be here tonight. I think he's having a storm at his house. He was having a hard time bidding too. And we have a card that has to be random between Aaron and Aaron. Oh, Aaron and Brian, sorry. It is John Tavares and Brad Richards. Certified competitors, dual jersey, black and blue. There we go. So it's Brian and Aaron, okay? She has a good chance. About a 50% chance on that. Base, for Montreal, and Mike. Nathan Beaulieu, base card. And, Kepper. Scott Lawton, rookie roll call jersey. I don't know if I told you that last or I told you the autograph. Last pack, Brick. Some Gino. We got a card going to downtown. Ooh, it's a gold. Nice, gold platinum, Kevin Bieksa. Number 11 of 25, Warren. Not bad. I like Bieksa. And for the Aaron and the Nashville Predators, we got Philip Forsberg rookie card. Oh, and a base. And as predicted, we have got an Anaheim card, not a goalie. It's an autograph for Anthony. Rickard Rakell. There you go, Anthony. You're half right, yeah. The last card, the last brick, has to be random as well. Oh, I like it. Between San Jose and the team Steve bought and Anthony and the Dallas Stars. Certified competitors. Wow, it's a prime, but one is certainly a patch. 36 of 50. Joe Thornton, Jamie Benn. That one's pretty cool, actually. They all have that chipping on the bottom, but what you can do. So, I'm going to spin these out. Left is black, red is right. Same deal here. We'll see who gets them. So, first, John Tavares is left and black, and Brad Richards is red and right. It is Minnesota and red. Card goes to my buddy Brian. Get yourself a Johnny T card. Right, and between Joe Thornton is black and Jamie Benn and Dallas is red. Naturally, it lands on black, the team that was sold. And that card goes to Steve. You got the Ben, buddy. And Rich is now swearing. No way. But them's the breaks. Well, I'm going to clean up these. I'm going to get right into cash starts, guys. I'm sure you're all waiting for cash starts. You can still win a card, Taz. You could still win. Steve, the guy who bought it off you, has won that card. Naturally. Here we go. Cash starts. No, he's not in here. He's at work. Alright, guys. Like I said, there wasn't a mega jackpot tonight, but I have a couple nice things. First place. Mike will like this one. I'm giving away a box of draft prospects for first place. Open up this box on the next video. Hopefully it's awesome. Okay, keeping in that kind of theme. Second place. I'm giving away a box of Team Canada. You're going to actually have a Gretzky or a Bobby Orr chance in this. Team Canada is cool, and you're going to get a bunch of inserts too. And last place, the Nancy score. You're walking away with a slab. I'll show later. Nah, I couldn't even afford to put the old DP in it, buddy. Sorry. It's at the max right there. Alright, so drawing first, Anthony. Ants. Where's my marker? The prizes were a box of draft prospects, the new DP, and a box of Team Canada. Upper Deck Team Canada. Which is really cool stuff. The price went up on that, by the way, too. Ants. Wow, Ants. Great start. Double 20. 40. Where is Ants? He's not even in the room. Oh, and a double 12 for 24. That's 64 already. And wow. Double 18 for 36. Boom. Everybody's going, wow, really? So what do we got? 100 to start? That's silly. Okay. Ants just put up a ton. You guys are in trouble. Tazzer. Oh, yeah, Taz. The 60 isn't going to help you at all. Oh, and a double 7 for 14. And oh, Taz, single 4. Oh, sorry. But 78, not too shabby. You did have a great start. And Kepper. Oops. It could be in there. Kepper, 444 for 12. Kepper, 88 for 16. And oh, the bin and the multi-move. A single 15. Wow, all little crappy darts for Keppy. 43. Not in there, bud. That's the dreaded 40 to 50 range. It's pretty horrible. And Steve. Oh, Steve, you got a prize. Pack of Elite. Open that up on the next video. Naturally, the guy with who bought the team gets a nice card and a prize already. And another prize. Okay. Okay, we'll just give you a second pack of Elite. Eventually, we'll get you some draw. We'll draw some cards for you here. There you go. Double 19 for 38. It's a great start too. And a single 20. Got a good 58 going. And ooh, 30 points. That's a good draw. 2 Elite packs, and you knocked Taz out of the money. With your, what, 88. Eric Lindros. And Bug. Oh, Bug. Well, you got a good Nancy prize starts with a single 2. Oh, and a double 4 for 8 is an excellent Nancy continuation. And oh, I think that'll clinch it, my friend. It's not a massive Nancy prize this week, but I like it. 13 points for Bug. Peanuts. Single 20. Peanut is no stranger to winning hobby boxes on this. And a double 1 for 2. Not good. See, I don't even think you could, even if it was a 60, you couldn't get anything right now. Triple 14 for 42. Only thing that's going to help is your cricket standings. You haven't even had it drawn yet. Oh. So 64. Correct. Jack. Oh, you're stuck on an ad. Great. Single 13 for Jack. Sorry, bud. Oh. Single 10 for Jack. Horrible. I don't think Jack can get anything unless some darts that he needs, maybe, or a prize, but he only gets a single 1, which actually would have been a pretty nice Nancy score on any other day, a 24. But Bug's noodle arm was just too good for you. And Aaron, single 8. And ooh, triple 18 for 54. Good one. Can she get a big one at the end? Ah, not so much. Triple 5 for 15. Ah, so what? 977. Ray Bork. We got recapping the first poll. Ants, first place. Second place, Kep. Third place, and the last place, Bug. 13. Bug. Yes, a triple does close that number. Double. 2 for 4 for Mike. Horrible starts. Oh, yeah, it's not Cap, sorry. Second is Steve. Mike, single 7. You actually still have a chance for the Nancy score right there. Floor dart? Oh, how about a dare to chew? So, you're going to get this pack. In the mail, and if you chew that rock hard 24-year-old gum on camera and put it on the forum for everybody to laugh at you, I'm going to send you $5. And a 333 for 9, which would have been one heck of a great Nancy score too, with 20 points. And Brian. Nobody has posted any new ones yet, no. Brian, 9 for 18. Bug stole his Nancy. 13 for 26. And 11 left in Brian's bin, guys. And a 333 for 9. Nothing good there for my buddy Brian, but at least some triples and stuff. So, 44, 50, 3. Great. Downtown, sneaking in at the end there. Let's see what you got. 7 to start. Not good. 14 points. Single 5. Oh, the dart bag is just evil tonight. Not many prizes either. And a 15 for 45 is a good finish, but a bad start. It's not going to help. 74. And Jack, the guaranteed spot. Last chance. Can you pull out the upset win? Well, 16 ain't that bad. Single 16 to start. Yeah, that pretty well clinched it. 3 for 6. And the bug has clinched the Nancy. Wow, horrible darts is right. And a 666 for 18. 34 is 40 points. Wow, some crazy darts today. So first pull was the best. Yeah, Taz hung on for third place when there wasn't enough for 3 things. So Anthony, nice call. You won yourself a box of DP, buddy. I'll be opening that up on the next video. Steve, buying in, paying for $10 extra to Rich. You got in, and you got yourself a box of Team Canada. Hopefully you got some awesome auto in there. And Bug, the noodle arm, limp-wristed Bug. You got a slab tonight. It's not massive, but it's pretty cool. If you like San Jose players, it is Joe Thornton and Patrick Marleau. Dynamic duels, slab out of 24. So, better than nothing. Thank you guys for your support. And I'll see you on the next video where we open up